Xi'an is one of the most ancient cities in China. It's located in the northwestern part of China. The tower in this video is called the Bear Tower. Those pretty ladies in the traditional clothes are streaming alive online. Do you like their traditional clothes? Are you planning to visit Xi'an one day? I personally received my higher education in Xi'an long time ago. I miss this city very much. I'm planning to visit it one day. I miss the food, the towers, the traditional buildings, the antiques, everything in Xi'an is absolutely one of the most fantastic cities in China. If you've got a chance, I think you'd better visit this wonderful city. You are going to have a great and a wonderful time in Xi'an. At the meantime, you will love it. See you. Bye-bye.